Extensive COVID restrictions have been put in place for areas within the North East, including a ban on household mixing and a curfew for pubs, bars and restaurants. The transport sector will also face new restrictions as only essential journeys is permitted on public transport. Residents are advised they can use public transport for work and education or when the journey is essential for other purposes.
Over the last few weeks, cases of coronavirus have been rising rapidly across the North East area. In response to this, the UK Government and local authorities announced further restrictions in an attempt to contain the virus. For public transport, this means that you should only make essential journeys to work or for educational purposes. I would ask everyone who intends on using public transport to carefully consider whether their journey is essential or not. Over the last few months, Nexus have implemented a number of initiatives to ensure that customers remain safe whilst using public transport. We've provided posters and signage to advise people on social distancing, and we also use a spray which kills the virus on contact and lasts for up to 28 days on our metro cars. Unfortunately, we're still suffering from a train crew shortage, but over the next 6 weeks, we'll be recruiting another 30 train crew, the biggest recruitment that we've ever done. We're also still suffering from coronavirus itself. Right now, over 30 employees are self-isolating because of the virus, and over a third of those are train crew, which means we just can't put on the services that we would like to put on. Where you can, keep 2 metres distance from other people, but where you can't, keep 1 metres distance, but also wear a face covering or a visor. It is really important that unless you're exempt from wearing a face covering, you wear one on public transport. This simple act will help keep everyone safe, and if everyone follows the rules, we'll get out of this pandemic.